Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Still nursing my cold a little bit, having some tea here tonight. And I wanted to do a quick video for you guys on cooking oil. There's been a lot of talk just recently here of possible shortages of cooking oil because of what's been going on in the Ukraine, because there's different products that come out of the Ukraine that are used to make different oils. And there's something that I haven't really seen on other YouTube videos, and that's kind of the long-term storage of oils. Pretty much the consensus is, cooking oil doesn't keep, you shouldn't keep as much of that on hand because it'll go bad on you. And they're true. It's true that cooking oil can go bad on you, but I have actually not had that problem because I try to get cooking oil that's in metal cans. I have found over the years when I purchase cooking oil, no matter what kind it is, if you can get it in a metal can, you're going to get a lot more time on the shelf with it. And I got a couple examples here of the oils. I got sunflower oil here in a can. This is one that they have been talking about. And then olive oil. Olive oil is one of the oils that I keep. And this one right here is a Greek olive oil that I actually get locally here. So it's locally sourced. I don't have to order it off the internet, so to speak. I got a place where I can get this, and I'm going to show you guys the expiration date on that. And that is 11/1 of 2025, and it is March of 2022 right now. So this sealed can of olive oil is going to be good for quite some time. And as a general rule, I'll keep a few cans of this canned oil around, and then as I use one, I'll purchase another one. So I keep that stock level up there, and I have some to fall back on if for some reason I can't get it for a few months or whatever. But oil stored in cans lasts much longer for me than any oil in any plastic bottle. Glass is a little bit better, but it's not like a metal can. So if you can get yourself some oil in a metal can, it's going to last a lot longer for you. And of course, you keep it in a cool, dark place, just like you do any other food stuff that you're trying to store. And there's one other thing that I want to mention, and maybe at some point in time I'll do a separate video on that. But that's ghee, and what ghee is it's clarified butter, and you can actually can this at home. It's fairly simple. You get a bunch of butter, you heat it up, you got to let the milk solids cook out of it, and you ladle it in hot jars, and you can seal that up. Now this ghee right here, I did this a little over a year ago, and I actually follow another person in the preparedness community, Samantha Biggers, and I actually use her technique on making canned ghee. And maybe at some point in time I'll do my own video on the topic, but for expediency purposes, with everything that's been going on, in case somebody wants to put up some of their own fats or their own ghee of their own, I'll put a link in the description to her article where she explains on how she goes about and does that, because I basically just follow her technique, and it's fairly simple, especially if you can find butter on sale. But just wanted to do this quick video here kind of on fats. You can can your own ghee, and if you purchase cooking oil, try to get it in metal cans because it'll last a lot longer for you. So anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys got a little information and a little entertainment out of this video here that you can put to use for yourself. Anyway, you guys have a good one.